Dental work for heart patients. Dr. Ramo explains why some need antibiotics before they get into the dentist chair.
All right, Dr. Ramo, today we're talking about heart murmurs and dental work. For years, I guess it's been said that heart murmur patients should take an antibiotic before having dental work. Give us a little background on that.
Absolutely right. Ever since I started practice, we would tell our patients with heart murmurs that they needed to have dental work. Well, the heart murmurs may be due to an abnormality in the heart valves, but of course people can have normal heart murmurs, but they were told an hour before, get antibiotics. And about a year ago, the American Heart Association came out with a report saying, look, that's really unnecessary exposure of antibiotics to people. If you have a scar on your chest, in other words, if you've had heart surgery, maybe a prosthetic valve or something, then you ought to take it, and that would be okay. But everybody else doesn't need to. What's interesting to me is that dentists don't seem to understand that. I continuously get patients referred to me. They say, patient needs to be on antibiotics, and I send them back a letter that they don't. So,
yeah, and you made an interesting point that actually brushing your teeth can release as much bacteria as having a tooth pulled, so you should be theoretically taking an antibiotic every single time you brush your teeth.
Right, either that or not brushing your teeth
exactly.
at all. Yeah, no, that's absolutely right. No, there was a recent study published in this week's journal Circulation, which is my favorite heart journal. What the researchers found was that when they compared the amount of bacteria in the bloodstream after having a tooth pulled versus brushing your teeth, it turns out you get more bacteria when you brush your teeth. So they're saying maybe it isn't necessary to take antibiotics at all because you sure don't want to do it, as you point out, every time you brush your teeth.
Exactly.
Would that make any sense? Researchers, the American Heart Association, may look at this study and say, look, maybe this isn't necessary for anybody, because one of the problems is exposing everybody to these antibiotics really puts them at risk. Let's say if I give you penicillin and you don't need it and you get an allergy to it, can't take it for the rest of your life.
All right. Well, great advice, Dr. Ramo. Thanks so much.
You bet.